village in Jammu and Kashmir on Wednesday, where his last rites will be performed. Security has been intensified in the area as investigations into the blast continue.
Against humanity. We can go in Nagaland to soon as well. No, just a chance. And of course, army is there, some is here. We'll do what is to be done. But I urge the people, not to lose this hard-earned peace. This is the security of our future, of our children. It will go on. Thank you very much. Alna Korvi.
Sir.
Abhi Laga Sulu Jai Jashina. Just Moram.
Talate Puti Bija.
Itu Manoto, Punch Laga Azin, Jammu Kashmir Laga, to Fale Jajabo. Aji, flight Pura Jabo, Rasta to Pichitura, into Pura Delhi, or Delhi Pura Jammu, or Agela Rasta to Lari Pura.
Family Kanto.
Family Kanto for Sena Kiato. My family Lara Busina Kobo, just keeping sentiments in mind. Just pray.
He's married, sir. He's married.
Yeah, of course he's married. So just pray to Lord Almighty.
And how about these 4 children? They are out of danger.
By grace of God, all are okay, all are stable, all will recover.
And what that injured includes the captain as well? Captain as well?
Yeah, he's also injured. He's the assistant commandant of some of his. He's also injured. I'll also request you. Okay, Prasna Govi. Okay, there are a lot of power in prayers. We should not lose very hard-earned peace in Nagaland. I just want to pray to God that.
Any inputs that who are responsible?
No, it's too premature. No, not for me to comment. No, I'll not say anything on that. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Please advise you. Thanks, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.